Two-factor authentication, not working on ETRADE Mobile Pro Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the ETRADE Mobile Pro app, don't worry, it's a common issue that can usually be fixed in a few easy steps. First, check your phone's time and date settings. Two-factor authentication codes rely on precise time syncing, and even a few seconds off can cause a mismatch. Go to your settings, enable set time automatically, and confirm your time zone. Then try entering your code again in the ETRADE app. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure it's synced properly. In Google Authenticator, open Settings, tap Time Correction for codes and select Sync Now. This ensures your time-based codes are aligned with ETRADE's servers. If you use SIMS verification and your text isn't arriving, turn off any FIN, switch to your carrier network instead of Wi-Fi, and make sure Do Not Disturb is disabled. Also, check your spam or blocked messages folder. Sometimes security texts get filtered accidentally. If you recently got a new phone, reinstalled your authenticator or changed your number, you might need to reset your two-factor authentication. Tap Can't Access Your Code on the login page and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you're back in, go to Settings, then Security, and re-enable for continued protection. Finally, update your ETRADE Mobile Pro app to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes cause login or authentication glitches. If you're already updated, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh your connection. After syncing your time, verifying your authenticator, and updating the app, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. Remember, that extra step might seem annoying, but it's one of the most powerful shields protecting your investments and identity. A few quick fixes can save you a lot of stress down the road.